Most common questions na tinatanong ng mga Filipino, especially yung mga nasa crypto, is paano nga ba bumibili ng Bitcoin sa Pilipinas gamit ang ABRA? In this video, isa-isayin natin yung mga steps, procedures, methods, at the same time yung mga technicalities na tingin natin mukha siyang mahirap, but in reality, and sa totoo lang, mahirap lang siya kapag wala kang susundan, walang guide. At the same time, gagawin mo ito mag-isa. I'm gonna help you to make things easier, fun, and exciting, and at the same time, doable para ma-solve yung question mo tungkol dito. So what are you waiting for? Let's start.
Now, let's answer the question, why ABRA? Now, first of all, merong ibang mga platforms that you can also use to buy and sell Bitcoins aside from ABRA. The reason why we use ABRA is because we can transact bigger volumes on a regular basis. Sa madaling salita, if you want to buy 5, 10 Bitcoins on a regular basis, on a daily basis, in ABRA, you can actually do that. Kung gusto mo rin magbenta or you want to sell your Bitcoins, let's say you have 10 Bitcoins, you can sell that in ABRA immediately on a regular basis. What's also good in using ABRA is that now you can use your peso to directly buy different cryptocurrencies, different altcoins in the market. Plus, you can participate in buying stocks and ETFs and marami pang iba. Personally, I'm using ABRA for cryptocurrency purposes. So, doon lang ikot yung ating topic for this video. Now, welcome to ABRA. And kung wala ka pang ABRA, you can simply download the application using the link in the description box below, or just simply go to abra.com, download the application, and start to use the application. Now, once nakapag-register ka na, here's what we are going to do. So, I'm gonna share with you my screen para makita ninyo yung technicalities, yung setup, paano ba nagpe-purchase, how to buy Bitcoins, how to convert it. Now, purong natin ang content. Okay, first, of course, since meron na akong ABRA, so here's my ABRA wallet. So, just simply click my wallet. And upon signing up or creating your account, you are required to create or to put your PIN. It's actually an additional verification or security features para ikaw lang yung magkaroon ng access dun sa wallet mo. And once you're in, ito yung makikita mo sa iyong wallet. So the first question is, paano ba nagtatap up kay ABRA using yung peso? Now dito sa may lower part, may makikita kayo dyan nakalagay add money. You just simply click that one. At makikita nyo dyan, there are different ways, like for example, the first one is through bank. The second one is cash. The third one is Visa or MasterCard. The fourth one is add from crypto wallet. Normally, kapag nag-top up tayo kay ABRA using the first one, which is here, which is the bank. So you are transacting or depositing your money directly to ABRA. But using this type of transaction, you need to wait 1 to 2 days bago ma-receive yung iyong peso. The third one, tataktawan ko muna yung pangalawa. Yung pangatlo, which is Visa or MasterCard, na pwede ka rin bumili ng Bitcoin or you can top up your ABRA wallet using your cards, but it will charge your card an additional 4% fee. And doon naman sa pang-apat, which is the add from crypto wallet, you're basically asking someone or buying from someone else. Normally, most of us are using the second one, which is the cash immediate, because this could give us an access then para magkaroon or makapili ka ng bigger or higher volumes, which is the cash immediate through a teller. We are also a teller of ABRA, so if you want to top up your ABRA wallet, let's say you want to top up more than 1 million peso on a regular basis, on a daily basis, just simply check the description box below for the details. Now, once na nakapag-top up ka na ng wallet mo using ABRA, balik tayo sa portfolio. Okay, let's say nag-top up tayo ng 1,000 pesos. Na yung 1,000 pesos mo, automatically, dilitaw siya dito. But ABRA has a 2% charge. So normally, pag na-receive mo na yung peso mo doon sa iyong ABRA wallet, that will no longer be a 1,000 pesos anymore. Of course, charge na yung 2%. So that's why, ang marireceive mo na lang dito ay 980 pesos. So ibig sabihin, kinakaltasan ka na agad ng 2%, which is a broker fee of ABRA upon cashing in your peso in your wallet. Next step, pag meron ka ng peso sa iyong ABRA wallet, paano naman ito i-convert to Bitcoin? Now, there are two ways kung paano mo bibilin at i-convert yung peso mo ng Bitcoin. The first one is Kung yung Bitcoin mo ay hindi mo naman kailangan ilabas, meaning you want it to stay lang dito sa Abra wallet, here's what you need to do. Now, let's click PHP. That's the first step. Second, click exchange. Then, click Philippine Peso. Of course, tatanungin ka dito, move funds from PHP wallet to Bitcoin. Then from here, makikita mo na yung details ng mga possible transactions mo. So let's say, gusto kong bumili ng 980 pesos worth of Bitcoin kasi na-convert na or nabawasan na ng 2% yung ating kinash in sa ating wallet. Click done. Then click review on the upper right here. And right after that, yung transaction summary, then click confirm. So there you go. Okay, mapapansin mo dito, nabawasan ka na ng 980 pesos, which is here, mapapansin mo naman sa Bitcoin part, ang total value ng iyong Bitcoins all in all is 9,774 pesos as of today's current price. Sa ilalim, makikita mo naman dyan yung available balance mo. The total is 0.018. Pero yung available balance as of now is 0.017. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa agad magre-reflect sa Bitcoin wallet mo yung iyong pinili. You need to wait from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, maximum of 40 minutes bago siya maging available para magamit mo na. Dadagdag ko lang, kapag magta-top up ka ng peso to your Abra wallet, hindi agad magiging available yung peso for that reason. So you need to wait 2 minutes, 5 minutes to 40 minutes bago siya maging available, bago ka makapag-convert ng peso going to Bitcoin. The second way naman, kung paano ka makakabili ng Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin that you're going to buy ay gagamitin mo for trading purposes o ililipat mo na wallet, is this process. Now, as a portfolio tayo, let's click withdraw, send to crypto wallet. Tatanungin ka dito, tap wallet to move funds to Bitcoin. Let's click peso. So sa madaling salita, saan manggagaling yung fund? Here, makikita mo tong part na to, this area, na kung saan sa taas, you need to type or scan your Bitcoin wallet address kung saan mo ipapadala yung BTC. Let's say, meron na ako naka-ready na Bitcoin wallet address from another wallet. So ang gagawin ko lang dyan, I will copy-paste that Bitcoin wallet address. Then, I will paste my Bitcoin wallet address. Next is amount. Let's say 980 pesos. Click done. Then on the upper right, click mo naman yung review. And before you proceed your transaction, make sure na double check mo yung Bitcoin wallet address mo doon sa pinaka-taas. Then once it's final and confirmed, that's the time you click confirm withdrawal. There you go. It says na 0.001 BTC has been sent to Bitcoin wallet address and my address. And click that. Now, you might actually ask, saan na napunta yung Bitcoin na tinransfer mo from Abra going to another wallet? Of course, doon na sa wallet na pinagsenda mo ng Bitcoin. So normally, it will take time. Depende sa blockchain delay. But rest assured, kung tama naman yung pinagsendan mo wallet at wala namang mali, anytime, you can receive that within the day or maximum of 24 hours. Basically, that's how we buy Bitcoins using Abra. Now, the next question is, paano naman kapag gusto ko magbenta ng Bitcoin para maging peso? Two things. Kapag yung Bitcoin mo ay nasa exchange or ibang wallet, just simply need to send your Bitcoin going back to Abra. Pag nasa Abra wallet na ulit yung Bitcoin mo, then you need to convert that to peso. At pag nasa peso na, you just simply click withdraw, transfer to bank, and you just simply follow this instruction. Or what basically we're doing para mas mabilis yung transaction, we could connect to tellers like us. So, ibig sabihin, if you want to sell your Bitcoins, before you proceed the transaction, let us know. Contact us in the Philippines. And as always, kung sa tingin mo nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next episode because your cryptopreneurship starts here.